Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a closer look at the GPS drone with 4K camera for adults, an FPV-RC quadcopter designed for beginners and hobbyists who want an easy way to capture aerial footage without spending a fortune. At first glance, this drone packs several features that make it stand out, including a built-in 5-inch LCD display controller, GPS-assisted flight, brushless motors, and an impressive 60 minutes of total flight time with 2 included batteries. So, is this product really worth buying? Let's look at the numbers and see what they mean in real-world use. The headline feature is the 4K camera. The drone uses a 90-degree adjustable camera that lets you capture high-resolution aerial photos and videos, while giving you flexibility to adjust your shooting angle during flight. Combined with FPV capability, you can see a live view directly from the controller's integrated 5-inch HD screen, eliminating the need for a smartphone connection or additional apps. That means you can unpack, power on, and start flying much faster. One of the most attractive specifications here is the flight time. The package includes two 7.4V 2700 mAh batteries that provide up to 60 minutes of combined flight time. For casual pilots, that translates into multiple flying sessions before needing to recharge. Longer flight time means more opportunities to practice, explore, and capture footage without constantly worrying about landing for a battery swap. Why is this such a popular choice among beginners? A major reason is GPS assistance. The drone includes intelligent GPS functions that help maintain stable flight, while enabling advanced features like Follow Me mode, Circle Fly mode, and automatic return to home. If the battery gets low or the signal is interrupted, the drone can automatically navigate back to its starting point. These features make flying more approachable and give newer pilots additional confidence in the air. The built-in GPS system also supports flight altitudes up to approximately 800 feet and provides enhanced positioning stability when flying outdoors. Whether you're filming a hiking trip, a family gathering, or scenic landscapes, the GPS functionality helps deliver smoother operation and more predictable control. Another feature worth highlighting is the integrated 5-inch LCD display on the remote controller. Many entry-level drones require a smartphone connection, but this setup keeps everything self-contained. The display offers real-time FPV viewing and supports transmission distances up to approximately 5,000 feet, allowing pilots to monitor their shots conveniently from the controller itself. What do the brushless motors actually mean in everyday use? Brushless motors are known for smoother performance, lower noise levels, improved efficiency, and greater durability compared to traditional brushed motors. This drone uses brushless motor technology to provide stable flight performance while helping conserve battery power. The result is a quieter and more refined flying experience. Portability is another strong point. Weighing just around 238 grams, the drone features a foldable design that makes it easy to carry in a backpack or travel case. Since it's lightweight and compact, it's a convenient option for vacations, outdoor adventures, and spontaneous flying sessions. An included carrying case adds even more convenience for transport and storage. For first-time pilots, ease of use matters just as much as performance. This drone includes beginner-friendly features such as one-key takeoff, one-key landing, simple photo and video controls, and adjustable speed settings. These features help reduce the learning curve and allow new users to focus on enjoying the flight experience and capturing great footage. When you combine the 4K camera, GPS-powered intelligent flight modes, built-in 5-inch FPV display, brushless motors, lightweight foldable construction, and up to 60 minutes of flight time, you get a package that delivers a feature-rich flying experience for both beginners and casual drone enthusiasts. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.